I left the best parts of me here. I'm not looking for a fight. Craven has the other Spider-Man trapped in an old mansion east of the city. He saved me. Told me to find you. This was the only way I knew how. I owe him my life. And much more. If we hurry...
No. You've done enough.
You should be proud of him. He reminds me of you.
Reminds him of me. He doesn't even know me. Or Miles. A little bit of help now, all of a sudden he's a good guy. As soon as Miles is safe, Lee's going back in a cell. Not now, MJ. Is Spider-Man doing more harm than good? How about now? Now who needs the old Spider-Man? What's so great about the new Spider-Man anyway? He can't even stop some hunters. They destroyed the EMF. Destroyed my life. I'm going to lose May's house because of them and... Craven.
I wonder if the little spider will survive.
Where is he? Where is Spider-Man? Find him yourself! Stay focused! He's got the crossbar! Repositioning! Tell me where he is! Tell me! You're greedy! Watch where you're firing those! Where is Spider-Man?
I'm assured that material is unbreakable. But I believe anything can be broken. You still hold back. Maybe you lack motivation.
Now you're in for it.
Yes. There you are.
Let us make this a glorious ending! You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people! That was their fate, just as this is ours! Am I too quick for you? Your followers treat you like some kind of god! But you're just a dying old man, looking for a way out! So you know then? Then you know I will not die in a sick bed! Only an equal may taste my last breath! Rip me apart and parade your achievement to the streets! Minds? Observant. Come! Do not hold back!
So, you were not one.
Let us make this a glorious ending! You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people! That was their fate, just as this is ours! Show me what you are capable of! Stop hiding! Your followers treat you like some kind of god! But you're just a dying old man, looking for a way out! So you know then? Then you know I will not die in a sick bed! Only an equal may taste my last breath! Rip me apart and parade your achievement to the streets! I'll show you what I can do! I hope you're enjoying this. Tonight won't end well for you. I study all of my prey. You are agile, intelligent, vulnerable to emotion. So am I. Do not let the taste of power get to your head. Need more distance!
a dying old man, and yet here I free. Shut up! Come, crush my bones into powder! Leave my body for the maggots and the field mice! Shut up! Get back out here! Rip him apart! I'll tear you limb from limb! Do it! Or I will gut you and mount you on my wall! Gorgeous. So many years I've waited for a predator capable of defeating me. Enough talking! And then I found you. And you'll regret that! No, I won't. I will not let God decide my fate! I can't! Kill me! And the ringing stops! Come to me! Couldn't fight me yourself? Do not let the sound stop you! Fight it! But you still hold back. Kill or be killed. Stop! No.
Sorry about that. It's just me. You almost killed him, man! What are you doing?
You're in the way, Miles! Always in the way. I could have fixed everything!
How? By strangling him? That's not what we do!
Don't try to mentor me!
You're the one running away from your problems! You're the one hell-bent on revenge!
Revenge? All I wanted was to protect my family. Protect you!
You're not better than me!
I'm not saying that! You're stronger than some soup, Pete! Don't listen to it!
And what? Listen to you?
Yes! Listen to me! What are you so afraid of?
I need this suit. It makes me a better Spider-Man. You just want it for yourself.
All I want is to save you!
I'm the hero. I don't get saved. Why are you doing this? I made you. You owe me.
I know you don't mean that!
All I wanted was to save everyone. MJ, May. Now the city thinks that I'm the problem.
You think I'm the problem?
But I'm not anymore.
I'm the solution.
I can't let this go. I'm finally everything everyone needs me to be.
Yeah? You don't even answer my calls anymore, man! And what about MJ? You could have killed her! I know you're hurting, Pete, but you're better than this!
I know, but... No.
People in my life, they keep dying. I blame myself for that. They needed a hero, and if I thought some suit could save them, maybe I'd be in your shoes now. But this kind of power is the reason they're gone. Not you, not me.
Shut up!
Be stronger than that. This time, you have to save yourself.
I can't!
You will. I'm not losing you, Pete. need. Come on, man. Just focus on me. Come on! I'm stronger than this. You hear me?
Come on, let's move. These last few days... Miles, I'm sorry. Thank you. For everything.
It's what Spider-Man do.
Spider-Man didn't save me back there. Miles did.
What now?
I have to talk to Dr. Connors. He said he knows how to destroy it.
Wait, what about Harry? Doesn't he kind of need it?
His dad is working on another cure. One that doesn't involve aliens.
You know, if you need me, I'm just a call away. Well, once I let my mom know this, she still has a son.
I know.
Just glad to have you back, man.
Dr. Connors, I got the suit off. It's contained, but what do I do now?
Bring it to Oscorp Tower. There's a tank there that will subdue it. I have to prep a few things first, but I'll let you know when I'm on my way. One thing before we meet. Now that the symbiote is off of you, how are you feeling?
Fine. Relieved that it's over. Ashamed at what I did.
It's not your fault. There's still so much we don't know. Just tell me right away if you feel any changes in mood, behavior...
But it's off me. I'm cured, right?
Very likely. Yes. Just do your best to keep that thing contained.
Copy that. Okay. I've been ignoring the city for too long. Hello, ma'am.
Who's there? I don't recognize your voice.
It's Spider-Man? Oh, I didn't realize.
Alba, charmed to meet you.
So, you need my help?
Yes, there's a monster in my backyard. I can hear it at night, scratching.
Could it be a stray dog? Or a rat?
My allergies could sense a stray dog half a mile away. And even New York rats don't get as big as whatever that is.
Is there anybody else here who might have noticed it? Family member? Guide dog?
Just me. No family, no neighbors, no service animals. Allergies, remember? Whatever it is, I need it gone.
Got it. I'll look around and let you know what I find.
Please, I cannot afford to repair any more damage. Fixed income, you know.
definitely an animal. Fret not, gnome. I shall avenge thee. Well, that's disgusting. Time for some molecular assessments. Okay. Whoops. Let's see here. Looks inorganic. Even weirder. I can pick up traces of the chemical. Looks like it came from the woods. Trail ends here. There might be another clue nearby. These look promising. More gunk. Whatever it is, it's either leaky or slobbery. Yeah. This stuff leaves a real strong trail. This thing is way too heavy to be a big cat, but it sure can jump like one. Feels like I'm getting warmer. Where is this thing going? Whoa. Maybe Genki knows something about this thing.
Hello?
Hey, Genki. That monster in Queens? It's one of those hunter beasts, but it's not attacking.
Whoa, a hunter beast? Maybe we can hack it. It could give us some intel.
There's something in its side. An arrow? Easy. This won't hurt. Probably. Since, you know, you're metal. Genki! Do something!
Okay, okay.
Hurry!
Got it!
How did you do that?
So, this was kind of a desperate move, but I dumped 10 million random dog videos to its pattern recognition database.
Nice. What should we do with this thing? Is it dangerous?
Try fetch?
You want to get the barrels? Are you a happy puppy? Want to play chase? That's it. Good dog. Get him.
I'll try to access its memories while it's distracted. Man, a lot of corruption in these logs.
So, the arrow. Why would hunters shoot their own robot pets?
Target practice? Let's find out.
Hey, what's your name anyway?
Designation F1D0. Fido.
Good to know at least one hunter has a sense of humor.
This log is cached to a server. dare I?
How deeply do you believe in your firewall?
Deeply enough to download this audio playback.
Get out of my water, you piece of junk. She's a traitor to Craven.
You are the traitor. I was doing my job.
Oh, defective garbage, get back here.
We've got company!
You must have traced our log access.
Easy, easy. Stay. Heal, buddy! Heal! Genki, send in a stop command!
I can't access manual override. Always wanted to say that.
Focus! I think it's scared!
It's definitely acting like it.
Maybe that recording scared it!
Repressed final memories? Always bad. I think its owner shot it.
And covered up a murder! Fido, stop! No, not the church!
There you are. Come here. Yeah, I should have known you could pitch an explosive boat. Yeah.
So you're the guy Fido's so scared of? Oh, it's on! Get him, Fido! Fido's not going anywhere with you! That's all of them. Fido! Okay, don't worry. He won't hurt you anymore. Now, let's take care of that arrow. Okay, let's have a look. Little pinch. Ready? Good boy.
You sure this is safe?
Hey, if 10 million dog videos can't make you a good boy, there's no hope for any of us. And you're a good boy, aren't you?
Who's a good boy?
Just to be safe, though, I'll wipe its memory completely. Except the videos. And you.
Good call. We're back.
Spider-Man? Wait, we?
Me and this curious guy.
Oh no, my allergies.
It's okay. Earlier you mentioned you couldn't get a guide animal? Well, I found you one. He's a dog, I guess, made of various metals. Very allergy-friendly. He's also got a few hundred guide dog videos uploaded to his memory.
Really? He's everything I hoped for. I can have him trained at the center so he can be properly registered. Already so helpful. Thank you, Spider-Man. Adios.
Okay. I'm heading over to Oscorp Tower now.
Right. See you there. Haven't told MJ yet.
Hello?
MJ, I got the suit off. And I'm so sorry
Go on.
for treating you and everyone I care about like absolute crap. I'm heading to Oscorp to store the suit until Dr. Connors and I can figure out what to do.
Does Harry know?
No! But Norman's been working on an alternate cure that's showing real promise. We will save Harry!
Well, it's a relief to hear you sounding like yourself again. Go wrap things up. I'll see you at home.
Got a lot more apologies to make when this is all settled. One thing at a time. How about we bring the heat down?
Burn him down!
I'll destroy the unworthy!
Good. Fire department can handle things from here.
Let's dig in.